Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will explain one of the fundamental module of ITSM, which is CSTM, Common Service Data Model, which includes overview, benefits, phases and CSTM domains. So let's start with overview. The ServiceNow CSTM is a framework designed to provide a common language and structure for organizing and managing the data within the ServiceNow platform. It aims to standardize the way data is defined, organized, and utilized across different ServiceNow applications, allowing for better integration, consistency, and efficiency. Then standardized data model. Within ITSM, CSTM provides a standardized data model that defines common IT service related entities, attributes, relationships, and processes. This includes standardizing how incidents, problems, changes, service requests, and other ITSM artifacts are defined and managed across different ServiceNow applications. And hierarchical structure. In ITSM, CSTM organizes data in a hierarchical structure that aligns IT services and resources with business objectives. It starts from high-level business goals and objectives, cascading down to IT services, service offerings, and underlying configuration items such as hardware, software, and infrastructure components. Then business alignment. CSTM and ITSM ensures that IT service and processes are closely aligned with business objectives and outcomes. By mapping IT assets, services, and processes to specify business capabilities and services, organizations can better understand the impact of IT incidents, changes, and service requests on business operations. Then extensibility. IT organizations can extend and customize the CSTM framework with ITSM to meet their specific service management requirements. This flexibility allows organization to adopt the data model to their unique service catalog structure, SLAs, and operational workflows without sacrificing interoperability with other ITSM modules and applications. In ITSM, the CSDM serve as a foundational framework for organizing, managing, and optimizing IT services, processes, and resources, ultimately enabling organization to deliver high-quality IT service that drive business value. Then benefits. There are different benefits of CSTM like rationalization, outage reduction, reporting, and alignment. Rationalization. ServiceNow CSTM provides a standardized data model that helps IT organization to rationalize their IT assets, services, and processes. By establishing a common language and structure for organizing and managing data, CSTM enables organization to identify redundant or underutilized resources and streamline their IT landscape. With rationalization, IT teams can eliminate unnecessary costs, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall operational efficiency. Then outage reduction. CSTM facilitates proactive incident management and problem resolution by establishing clear relationships between IT services, configuration items, and business processes. By accurately mapping IT components to business services and processes, organizations can quickly identify the root cause of incidents and outages, leading to faster resolution times. Additionally, CSTM enables better change management practices, ensuring that changes to IT configurations are well planned and coordinated to minimize the risk of service disruptions. Then reporting. ServiceNow CSTM provides a standardized and centralized repository of IT data, making it easier to generate comprehensive and accurate reports on various ITSM matrices. By capturing data consistently across different ITSM processes and modules, CSTM enables organization to gain deeper insights into service performance, resource utilization, and compliance with SLAs and regulatory requirements. With robust reporting capabilities, IT leaders can make data-driven decisions, identify areas for improvement, and demonstrate the value of IT services to key stakeholders. Then alignment. CSTM facilitates alignment between IT services and business objectives by providing a structured framework for mapping IT assets, services, and process to business capabilities and outcomes. By clearly defining the relationship between IT components and business services, organization can prioritize IT investments and initiatives based on their impact on business goals. Additionally, CSTM promotes better communication and collaboration between IT and business stakeholders, ensuring that IT services are closely aligned with the needs and priorities of the organization. Then phases. There are different phases like foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. So the first phase is foundation. Basically, ServiceNow CSTM implementation typically progresses through several phases, each representing a level of maturity and capability in utilizing the framework, uh, like foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. So, foundation. In the foundation phase, organization established the groundwork for implementing CSTM. This includes defining objectives, identifying key stakeholders, and accessing current data management practices and capabilities. Organization began to develop foundational elements of CSTM, such as defining common data entities, attributes, and relationships. They also establish governance structures and processes to ensure data quality and consistency. Then crawl. During the crawl phase, organizations start to implement basic CSTM capabilities and practices. This often involves mapping existing IT assets, services, and processes to the CSTM framework. Organization may encounter challenges and limitations during this phase, such as data inconsistencies or resistance to change from IT staff. However, they begin to gain valuable insights into the IT landscape and identify areas for improvement. Then work. The work phase represents a more mature stage of CSTM implementation where organizations begin to extend and optimize their use of framework. Organization focus on refining CSTM processes, improving data quality, and enhancing integration with the ITSM modules and systems. They also start to realize tangible benefit such as improved visibility into IT services and better alignment with business objectives. Then run. In the run phase, organizations achieve a high level of proficiency in leveraging CSTM to manage their IT services and resources effectively. Organizations streamline CSTM process, automate data management tasks, and implement advanced reporting and analytics capabilities. They also demonstrate the ability to adopt CSTM to evolving business requirements and drive continuous improvement in IT service delivery. Then fly. The fly phase represents the pinnacle of CSTM maturity where organizations excel in harnessing the full potential of framework to drive innovation and business value. Organization leverage CSTM to optimize IT operations, support digital transformation initiatives, and deliver exceptional customer experience. They are proactive in anticipating future IT needs and are recognized as leader in ITSM within their industry. Each phase of the ServiceNow CSTM journey builds upon the previous one, with organization progressing from establishing foundational elements to achieve advanced level of maturity and capability. By following this phased approach, organization can effectively leverage CSTM to improve IT service delivery, drive business value, and achieve strategic objectives. Then CSTM domains. There are different CSTM domains like foundation domain, design domain, build domain, manage technical service domain, sell consume domain, and manage portfolio domain. Each domain is associated with one or more products, services, or several types, each of which can extend as needed. Foundation domain. The foundation domain involves tables that contain base that data that is referenced from or to objects into other CSTM domains. Foundation data is required before you can use ServiceNow products or add data to the CMDB. Then design domain. The design domain supports the designs and planning of digital products. CIs in the design domain aren't operational, so you can't select them for incident management, problem management, or change management. Enterprise architects and application owners are the typical users of tables in this domain. Then build domain. The build domain involves the tables that are used in the build effort of digital products like DevOps. The table represents the logical development details of the enterprise application to be deployed and used by the business. Then manage a technical service domain. The managed technical service domain involves the table used by IT operations management products such as service mapping and discovery. These are deployed instance of digital products and their related and discoverable components and documentation of the services that provide and support the deployed instances. Then sell consume domain. The sell consume domain involves the table used by the service portfolio management and customer service management. This is the portfolio and request catalog of business service offerings that depend on the deployed digital products. Then manage portfolio domain. The manage portfolio domain is the layer on top of the CSTM conceptual model that interacts with the other CSTM domains. The typical user service owner might be responsible for services in more than one domain. So these are, you can say that, different domains, CSTM domains. So that's all about CSTM. In my next video, I will explain the configuration management, which is another foundational module of ITSM. Thank you.